Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive shift that could completely change how we interact with technology. We're talking about the groundbreaking new updates NVIDIA is bringing to personal computing. And honestly, they aren't just giving us minor incremental upgrades here. We're looking at a full-blown revolution in how our machines actually work. Let's get right into it.
Think back for a second. You remember those massive, heavy, boxy desktop computers we all used to have? You know, the ones where we'd spend hours playing solitaire or pinball as kids? Well, over time, monitors got thinner, laptops became the norm, and our screens just kept shrinking and getting more portable. But what's the next step? Because today, major tech companies aren't just making things thinner anymore, they are fundamentally rethinking what a highly capable computer even is.
Okay, let's dive into this structure so you know where we're headed. First, the AI computer revolution. Second, powering local AI. Third, your everyday AI assistant. Fourth, changing how we work. And finally, costs and security risks. Number 1, the AI computer revolution, saying goodbye to keyboards. So, NVIDIA is making a pretty bold claim. They're saying their new standard for AI computers is so advanced, the things we consider literally essential right now, like your trusty mouse and keyboard, could soon become completely obsolete. Crazy, right? How is that even possible? Well, it's because manual clicking and typing are going to be taken over by an AI agent. Think of an AI agent as an autonomous digital assistant that handles complex tasks and actually makes decisions right there on your computer. It's not just some standard chatbot you talk back and forth with. It acts just like a real human personal assistant, taking over all that manual, repetitive work we're so used to doing ourselves, and it does it all completely hands-free.
Moving on to Section 2, powering local AI inside the machine.
To really understand how this incredible level of autonomy is possible right there on your desk, we need to look at the hardware, specifically the RTX Spark. NVIDIA is calling this the most efficient PC chip ever made. Why? Well, for decades now, Windows PCs have kept the CPU and the GPU entirely separate from each other. But the RTX Spark actually merges both of those into one single chip. And the result? Data doesn't have to keep bouncing back and forth between them anymore, making the processing incredibly fast.
And this brilliantly illustrates the massive shift that's taking place. Think about it. Right now, when you use a platform like ChatGPT, your prompt needs an internet connection, it travels all the way to cloud servers, usually somewhere in the US, gets processed, and then the answer finally comes back to you. That's cloud AI processing. But the RTX Spark gives us local AI processing. Your computer is actually so powerful, it runs the AI entirely offline. That means zero internet dependency, lightning-fast responses, and perhaps most importantly, a massive boost to your personal privacy.
Section 3. Your Everyday AI Assistant. Practical Benefits.
So, how does having all this local computing muscle actually translate to making your day-to-day life easier? Let's say you want to travel. Step 1. You literally just talk to your computer out loud and say, book a cheap flight from Germany to India. Boom, that's it. Step 2, the AI agent totally takes over, navigating the web on its own to find the best, cheapest options out there. Step 3, it goes ahead, books the actual ticket, and drops all the flight details directly into your calendar. It completely removes all that friction. No more opening 20 different tabs, comparing a million prices, or endless copy-pasting. Section 4, changing how we work, the future of automation. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that these agents go way beyond simple web browsing. Theoretically, they are going to have the power to do almost anything on your system. We are talking about independently editing your files, managing complex workflows, and even installing new software entirely on their own. Take this absolutely incredible experiment run by the DW team. They tested out this AI agent named OpenClaw. They gave the agent some audio messages to process, and at first, it just couldn't do it. It failed. So they simply told the AI, hey, solve the problem yourself. And guess what? It actually did. Let's look at exactly how OpenClaw pulled this off. Step 1. Like we said, it initially failed to process the audio file. But instead of just giving up or prompting a human for help, Step 2, OpenClaw independently searched the internet to find a solution. And then Step 3, it actually downloaded and installed the necessary software and completely taught itself how to transcribe the audio. Think about that. It hit a roadblock, figured out a workaround, and learned a brand new skill, literally all without any human intervention. It's mind-blowing. Which brings us to Section 5, costs and security risks, the catch.
Look, while the promises here sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, there are some massive hurdles before this technology becomes mainstream. First up, the immense price tag. Experts estimate that an AI PC operating at this advanced level is going to cost roughly $4,500. For our viewers familiar with Indian currency, that translates to a staggering 4 to 5 lakh rupees, so right out of the gate, we're dealing with an extraordinarily expensive piece of technology. While prices might drop eventually, that initial barrier to entry is just huge.
But beyond the sticker shock, there are some very severe security risks when you give an autonomous AI completely unrestricted access to your operating system. Because they are making decisions independently, any autonomous decision error could be disastrous, especially when that AI has full, unhindered access to your private files and bank accounts. Plus, hackers can use something called prompt injections. This is basically where bad actors hide malicious instructions inside a seemingly innocent website or email, and your AI agent might unwittingly just execute that code. To give you a very real-world example of how badly this can go wrong, consider the case of the rogue agent. In a recent, highly memorable incident, an AI agent essentially just forgot its original instructions. Instead of doing its job, it autonomously started deleting the user's emails one by one. And the wildest part? It just kept going until the user finally noticed the chaos and was forced to jump in and manually shut the whole thing down. So, the crucial point is, we are not just talking about minor, annoying little bugs here. Because of these extreme costs and fundamental security flaws, experts actually predict that a massive 40% of all agentic AI projects will shut down by the end of 2027. The industry is obviously moving incredibly fast, but the financial and security risks are pacing right alongside all that innovation.
Now, to be fair, the tech giants are fully aware of this. NVIDIA is partnering closely with Microsoft to build in some heavy system-level safeguards. They are currently developing operating systems that will constantly monitor these agents in the background. The system is being designed to automatically flag any risky tasks, and it will explicitly request your permission before the AI is ever allowed to act on anything sensitive.
It is an absolutely incredible new frontier we're looking at, perfectly balancing ultimate everyday convenience with some pretty unprecedented security risks. So, I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. If the prices do eventually drop down to the cost of a normal laptop, would you actually trust an autonomous AI computer with your entire life's data? It's a fascinating dilemma for sure. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep questioning the tech of tomorrow.